Hi, I'm Jerry Drager, Drager's International Classic Sales in Burlington, Washington. We're here at Drager's Clubhouse and I want to show you this vehicle. This is a C1 top for a Corvette 1958 to 1962. And you can see it's got there's a little bit of issue in here on the stainless across the top here. But there's a little bit of a scratch in here, and there's a couple of spots in it all the way around and stuff. But you know what? It looks good. And you can see the crazing right here in the windows. Both corner windows are that way. This is the underside of the hardtop. It's got a spot right there and a spot here. And you can see it all looks decent. It's not perfect. This is a used top. And again, you can see the crazing on the quarter windows there. I'm sure that'd be an easy replacement piece. But the back window is decent. It looks good. All the clamps are there. It should make a good top for you. And it looks good. It's not perfect. It's not show. It looks like if you could wet sand and a little bit on it and maybe even make it a little nicer. You can look right in here. That might come out. But
give us a call, 206-533-9600.